ओके, तो यूजुअली जब भी हम कैट के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हम द लाइक्स ऑफ IIMs, SP Jain एंड ऑल दीज टॉप बी स्कूल्स के बारे में ही बात कर रहे होते हैं. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बी स्कूल विच इज सिचुएटेड इन Delhi एंड आई एम ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट टू रीच हियर. वेलकम टू कॉलेज दुनिया. दिस इज Swapnil and let's start our campus tour. Today we're at Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, one of the top B schools in Delhi. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, what's up?
Good.
What's your name?
Abhilasha. My name is Abhilasha Singh.
Hi,
And
Abhilasha.
I'm pursuing PGTM General.
Okay.
My first
okay.
year.
You're a first year student. Thank you so much for calling me here. We're gonna spend a whole day here. Please show me around your campus. Help me talk to more students like you guys. I would love to know everything about this college, all the good, all the bad parts of it. And would love to see some of the celebrations जो I think आप आज लोग कर रहे हो.
Huh. Today's Teachers Day. So we are having a celebration here in the college.
Perfect. Where are we standing right now, Abhilasha? And I can see शास्त्री जी का काफी अच्छा एक म्यूरल लगा हुआ है.
So this is our college walls, and we have Lal Bahadur Shastri all over written here, and we have the memorial for Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Our chairman is the son of Shastri ji.
Right. So for all the students, the legacy of this particular college started in 1995 and almost 30 साल पुराना कॉलेज है. Right now we are standing in one of the most premium colleges that's out there in Delhi. 24 से 25 लाख का highest package इसी college से with a very good ROI. I will tell you about all the small details about this college. I will make you meet the faculty. I will make you meet more students over here. So let's go start with our campus tour.
So I'll show you this campus according to students' POV.
Your campus is not a very huge campus, right?
But it's sufficient. Like if you want to experience the real MBA life, you'll live it here.
Where are we going right now?
So this is the students' entry, and I'll show you the classrooms.
Let's
So
go.
I'll show you the classroom.
Chalo, please. Oh, nice. Very nice.
We have proper tech facilities. We have a smart board.
If you get into this college, this is where you will have your lectures. This is where you will learn the basics of business, how to be a good professional. Perfect. आज टीचर्स डे के दिन ज़्यादा कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है क्या कॉलेज में? But attendance compulsory है.
हाँ, attendance is 80%, so you have to maintain.
80% attendance. अच्छा, okay.
We have 20 lectures per trimester, so it is like we have to at least attend 16 classes per lecture. Okay, so I make the management grid office. They are people that handle all the student-related activities. As this college is driven by the students, so let me introduce them to you. I'm Anandita.
Sir, what about you?
Manav,
Great, yeah, great. Let's do a quick conversation. You guys are from the management grid office. Who are you? What do you guys do?
So we are right now the office bearers for the students. We work for the student as well as for the college. We make all these things really smooth between the admin and the students.
Acha, okay. And you are the vice president. You are the president. What's happening here? What's the drill over here?
So we are just in the first trimester for the new batch that has arrived. Student has recently gone through their midterms, and now today we have teachers day as well.
Yeah.
Join us for the teachers
क्या
day.
plan कर रहे हो आप लोग teachers day के लिए?
It is a small event. Half of our batch has went to Memorial and Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya visit. It's a small celebration. We just want to thank our faculties who has continuously supported us.
I think the highest package that goes around here is around 24 lakhs.
22 lakhs.
Last year.
22 lakhs. Which was this company? किसने दिया था 22 lakhs?
Deserve, I guess.
How are you anticipating your placements now? कितने packages आप लोग score करने वाले हो? या इस साल का average कितना जाएगा? Lowest कितना जाएगा? Do you have any idea?
Like right now we have many good companies coming. The process for Oxane has just wind up.
अच्छा, okay. Batch size कितना है आपका?
So last year we had a batch size of 375.
And out of 370 students, कितने percentage of students का PPO लगता है?
PPO, so PPO का अभी PPO आ रहे हैं. Many companies has not announced their PPOs yet.
Okay.
But a good percentage of people.
कुछ number दो ना मुझे.
20%.
15-20%?
70.
ठीक है. Let's do a quick rapid fire session over here. Rate your college out of 5 on the terms of campus life.
4.
What about you guys? 4.5?
It's very engaged.
ठीक है. Rate the course and curriculum and the learning part that is happening in LBSIM.
4.
5. Why I think it is very good because faculties are very supportive and we have different learning opportunities. It is a student-driven college. So all the events are conducted by students only.
One thing that you would want to change about LBSI.
We do not have in-house hostel and I guess that is the problem because students do not have the greater amount of time they can stay in the institute.
Majority scholars are?
हाँ, majority day scholars are, so that connect. But the institute is doing a lot. We have a mess area in the basement that is open for late nights and everything. So students can come and sit. We have cafeteria open till 8.
Is the library accessible to you guys?
Yeah, library accessible throughout the day. So institute is doing a lot to recover that part.
I am a bit curious about the hostel fees. If you can give me some idea about it. जो हम average tuition fee 16 लाख की देख रहे हैं हर जगह. Does that include hostel का amount या नहीं?
No, it
Doesn't, right?
Doesn't.
Hostel का अलग से कितना है?
So the hostel includes the transfer services from hostel to the institute, from institute to the hostel, the food, the cleanliness and the rooms. So it ranges between 1,80,000 to 2,40,000.
Perfect. Okay guys, आज Teachers Day है. It's a very special occasion and it will be very interesting to see कि बच्चे क्या plan करने वाले हैं teachers के लिए. Let's go. That was the Teachers Day celebration. So ABSIM में चल रहा है. Let's go for let's see the library now.
Come, I'll show you the library. We have a world-class library here. They have e-learning resources, so you can use it as a cubicle. And of course, I've told you about the Bloomberg. We have 12 terminals here, 24 seating capacity. As you would know that Bloomberg is the leading financial hub, and all the live resources that you can get here. So it is a very good opportunity that we get in this college.
Correct.
This is the memorial for Shastri Ji, as you can see.
As I told you guys, this college holds a legacy of Shastri Ji, and I think today is the perfect day to be here as well. It's Teachers Day. A lot of celebration is happening, but one very important thing is going on, which is the placements. I'll try and talk to the students regarding placements now. Let's see if they're interested to talk or not. I hope you're not very occupied right now. My name is Swapnil. Hi, I'm from College Dunia, trying to record a small campus tour for you guys. So I think तुम लोगों की placements वगैरह चल रहा है. Is it fine if I sit and talk to you guys? Okay, so right now I'm sitting with Rajesh, who is from the alumni cell over here. Tell us something about yourself. Which program are you in? What year are you in?
Alright, so I'm the coordinator of the alumni cell here, and we take a lot of initiative. We engage with our alums, and we have various programs around the years.
What does your alum network looks like?
So we have an alumni base of more than 6,500, who out of which almost 1,200 are at the CX level positions. We have roughly more than 1,000 alumni who are currently out of India right now at very high positions.
Okay.
A few of our alums are entrepreneurs as well.
Now, help me understand, for an MBA aspirant जो अभी बस CAT की preparation कर रहा है and possibly in a couple of months might take admission into this college, how will an alum network help them?
See, I personally feel that a college is known by its alum network. Whatever the alumni ask is the presentation of their college, right? I feel that, you can talk to anyone in corporate and you can understand how things works. But to understand the practical part, how things actually work, they need to get in touch with someone who is in the industry.
ठीक है, तो let's say अगर मैं किसी senior को reach out करता हूँ, let's say if we are from LBSI, right? अब 15 साल senior को हम contact करते हैं, do you think वो respond करेगा ही करेगा?
तो मैं utmost shock. They always respond. They're so curious to know about college. How is college doing? How is everything doing? They're always ready to help for college because the college has given them so much that they want to give back to the place that they started with, right?
Tell me 3 top cells or programs जहाँ पे एक MBA एस्पिरेंट जो अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में है उनको क्या क्या सेल्स में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए. योर टॉप 3 चॉइसेस.
So Cell is a body which helps for college, and then the club. Someone is interested into entrepreneurship, then they can join the entrepreneurship club, right? If you want to improve your people skill, then there's like placement cell or the alumni cell or corporate interface cells, wherein you need to get to connect with a lot of people who are at a high position. And to name 3 clubs per se, so definitely the placement cell, because these guys work really hard. I mean, I have to give them the credit. After that, of course, the alumni cell. And if I have to talk about the clubs, then it totally depends upon your interest. If you're into marketing, then the marketing club. We have an amazing marketing clubs which have a lot of events throughout the years. Then we have an amazing finance and economics club which have amazing events, as well as the conferences. We have finance conference, we have HR conference, we have marketing conference.
Okay, perfect. Let's play a quick rapid fire rating kind of a round. Rate everything out of 10. How much would you rate the campus life of LBSIM?
The campus life, it's solid 9 out of 10.
How much would you rate the course and curriculum and the learning part that's happening at LBSIM?
I'll just not only rate it, and I'll tell you the reason as well. So I have friends in different colleges as well, including IIMs and better colleges, but it's the exactly same curriculum. It's the exactly same the thing that they are teaching. We have teachers from who have taught in IIMs and IITs. All right, so it's the same curriculum. It's the same thing that they teach. It's the same way that they teach. So I don't think that there's any difference.
Tell me the kind of ROI that you will get. Try rating that ROI.
Our average package roughly is around 14 LPR, right? And then the amount of fees which we pay is 16, 17 LPN around. And other colleges, so I also got my admission into NMIMS Mumbai. So there the fees is roughly around 25 LPR, right? And then the average package there is roughly around 17, 18. So compared to a college which is so renowned across India, the ROI is so much not better than ours. In terms of ROI, it's pretty good.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you. Okay, guys. Teachers Day celebration dekh liya, cafeteria dekh liya. Now we're sitting with Miss Rekha, who's the Dean of Academics. Firstly, happy Teachers Day. Can you give us some introduction to the viewers?
LBS, as you all know, we were founded in 1995. This particular institution is specially based on value system which were given by our second Prime Minister of India, late Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. So we are an institution where we want to develop managers with value systems.
How has things evolved in LBSIM since the day you joined to the current date?
When I joined, we had only one program, which was period in general, and we had 2 sections.
Acha, okay.
Yeah, and in 2008,
Okay.
we started period in financial management. And
Alright.
2018, we started research and business analytics. We started artificial intelligence and data science program in 2022. And apart from that, I've seen growth of LDSIM in, venturing into management development programs.
I also want to know more about the faculty who's here. How is the course and curriculum different if I compare it to other colleges within Delhi NCR?
If you talk about the faculty profiles, all our faculties are PhDs.
Very nice.
That's a mandatory requirement at the entry level itself. Our faculty is also complemented by senior bureaucrats.
Acha.
And it's also complemented by senior professors from DU, JNU, and IIMs. If you talk about the courses and how are we different, if you look at our fee structure, it's one of the lowest among our peer groups.
Right.
And we do give
Your average tuition fee is somewhere around 15-16 lakhs?
Yes. Tuition fee for full-time programs is all same.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no variation. Our courses are different in the sense, like for AIDS courses and research and business, we have tied up with NASCOM, so that we can give them add-on industry courses which are developed by the industry. We also had a tie-up with IBM, where, special 6 courses for research and business analytics and AIDS were delivered by them.
Okay. Because faculties यहाँ पे 30 साल के experience के लोग हैं या 10 साल के भी experience के लोग हैं.
Experience will be 500 years full.
My question to you is कि in current date and time where the world is moving so fast, faculty relevant कैसे रहती है? What steps are you guys picking up for all the faculty members to stay relevant कि ठीक है market में ये चल रहा है, बच्चों को हमें ये सिखाना है?
So we do regularly participate in, let's say 90-day programs, 30-day programs which are conducted by IIMs. Plus, we have tie-ups with corporates. So they do invite our faculties to attend their seminars and lectures also.
I also want to talk about your boss. Dr. Praveen. How is he, as a leader, influenced all the faculties over here?
When he joined in as a director, we actually took a lot of leaps and bounds. One of the highlights I would like to bring out is the encouragement of the research papers. You know, the incentives which were drawn out.
If you could give me 3 strong tips for all the CAT aspirants that are about to give the CAT exam, because in a couple of months it will be here around the corner.
One thing is, you know, when they appear before the panel, they should have the confidence. The panel is sitting there to take the candidate in.
Right.
It's not for rejecting the candidates. Go with your full confidence. Second, be true. So if you are speaking on something, if you're truthful, the confidence will reflect, and the panel immediately guesses that within the first 5 seconds. And third is, if you do not know anything, you know, just try to say, sorry sir, I am not gone into this, and look for another question.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me your time. One whole day spent at LBSIM. आज मैंने with the help of Abhilasha पूरा कॉलेज देखा, फैकल्टी से बात करी, स्टूडेंट से बात करी, इवन मिस्टर डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर प्रवीण गुप्ता से भी बात करी. It was a fruitful day. Trust me, to all the students who are appearing for CAT or who are aiming to get into LBSIM, you will never make a wrong decision. Come here, experience everything. और बहुत सारा फन है यार, वाइब अच्छी है. बाकी वाइब के लिए ही नहीं आना है सिर्फ, आप एजुकेशन के लिए आइए, आप ROI के लिए आइए, आप प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए आइए, and आप कंपनीज like B Shaw, Asian Paints, KPMG, Deloitte, Gartner, etc., etc., etc. Come here for everything. This is Swapnil Tripathi, clocking out. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.